Alright, so we just got to the bus stop. Looks like about 15-minute wait. Cool. Enough time to drink a little water and chill out and wait. I kid you not, 30 seconds later. Let's head on into the studios. Yeah, that was the other one.
Whole town.
Looking good.
R2-D2, where are you?
The shroud of the dark side has fallen.
But you can't hide. We'll meet again.
I don't know the power of the dark side.
It seems we have a deserter. One of our troops has abandoned his unit.
Joining us here today.
Alright, we just finished up the Star Wars show. That was pretty good timing. It started about 5 minutes after we got into the park, so we just snagged a spot and checked it out. It's pretty good. What'd you think?
I liked it a lot. We weren't trying to make a show. It just like we walked in and they said 5 minutes and it'll start. We're like, all right, let's watch it.
Yeah.
It was a cool montage. It was kind of like sad when they showed Carrie Fisher.
Yeah.
Like it was super sad, like because it was like the exact meme that everybody's sharing where she's like resting her head.
Yeah, where she's like resting her head on Han Solo's chest. Like, yeah, pretty sad. But on to happy things.
We're gonna go check into our hotel.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Who are you gonna call? Hollywood Tower Hotel. Guest services.
Guest services. Alright, they're only doing Fast Pass line right now. I'm not sure why, but I'm guessing one of the elevators is down. You know, maintenance. It's a really old hotel. But yeah, we're gonna hang out and wait for our check-in time.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Welcome back to those of you who made it.
Just finished with the Tower of Terror, and Lindsay was terrified.
So it freaks me out. Like my hand is so sweaty right now that it's pruning because it's disgusting. It is. But I get terrified on that ride. and I like try to smile, so it'll be like, this is fun, it's okay, it's safe, this is good, it's a controlled drop, I'm not gonna die. Like, these are the things that I say to myself, aside from, oh Jesus, please,
Oh my
Lord,
God,
save me.
yeah.
And oh, leave.
Yeah, a lot of expletives.
Yeah, in my head. I can acknowledge that that was, without a doubt, the best ride we've been on of this. We went up and down so many times.
Yeah.
We saw daylight 3 times. Like, it was good. It was really good. And right now, they're only running fast pass. Like, there's no standby line. So I feel like there's less people coming through. They're still using both elevators. So I think they're just giving people longer rides because there's less people coming through. So like, we didn't wait any longer or shorter than we usually do.
With fast pass.
But yeah, it was worth it for a longer ride and a longer experience. I know it's all random anyways, like you can never predict what's gonna happen, but like, yeah, that was a good one.
That was a lot of fun. I was like at the top of my seatbelt, like every time. It was so fun.
Yeah, they dropped us hard. It was good. Yeah, I hope they didn't look too crazy in the video.
She did.
Anyways, we have some other fast passes coming up, and we're probably also going to get dinner at some point.
Yeah.
So we'll take you guys along, show you where we end up. We're gonna grab a stuffed pretzel and a churro for dinner because we're adults.
So we just finished with Rock and Roller Coaster, and now we're getting a cream cheese stuffed pretzel. That's not for
That's
that.
not for that.
That's chocolate sauce to go with our churro. So
We've never had a churro at Disney World.
no, we only
Our
had
first Disney churro was Disneyland.
we had minis at Pecos Bills.
You right. You right. You right.
The queen of the churro has bestowed me as correct.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking like the Disneyland churros are like thicker than this.
They are.
But yeah, the ones at Pecosville, the mini churros that come with the dipping sauce, they're like this thick and they're just like little slices.
Chopped.
Yeah.
Good?
Disneyland did it better.
Ooh. The queen of churros has spoken.
So, color me confused. I thought the only stuffed pretzel that they did was jalapeno cheese. So we were like, yeah, the stuffed pretzel. And Tony took a bite and he said, no, that is like sweet cream cheese, like frosting.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's really weird.
It's very good. But that would have been quite the surprise to have.
If you're expecting jalapeno?
Yeah. It definitely was on us for assuming we got a jalapeno pretzel at that stand before. I thought it was weird that it didn't say jalapeno, but I was like, maybe it's the same thing. I don't know. Either way, we're happy. It's very good. It's just definitely sweet. When we were expecting one sweet thing, one savory thing, we got 2 sweets. So yay, adult dinner. Steve, there you are.
Thank you, Molly. She was reaching for it.
She reached for it. She was like, hey, go ahead, guys. And then she reached for it.
And then I was like, and then she's like, here you go.
She was like, yeah, of course. She knows.
She knows what's up.
All right.
We got the power.
Supposedly 50-minute wait. Let's see.
We're going on a new track.
All right. Yay. We got our glasses. Ready for action. I'm going to beat you. Yeah, of course I am. Now's the time. I can feel it.
Have you been practicing without me knowing?
Yes. I read the guidebook every day. Actually, I'm the editor of the guidebook.
Okay.
You ready, boy?
I'm ready. Midway Mania time.
Let's do it. Alright, Tony just challenged the people on the back side in our cart. It's 4 to a cart. He was like, we're gonna beat you guys.
So I've really got to step on my game.
Yeah, so we gotta put this down. Bye! First game, Lyndsay's winning! Game 2, Tony's winning! I won that game, but Tony's still winning! Ah, Tony is kicking my butt! Oh man, Tony totally beat me! I'm the winner! Let's check the whole score.
Yeah!
Yeah, Tony won!
I won the vehicle.
Heading down Sunset. Looks good. I like their nice subtle Christmas decorations up right now.
It's all about the stars here.
Yeah, very tinsel-y. As Tony reminded me earlier, it is Tinseltown.
What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. I'm working now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
I heard that. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No. Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah.
That's right.
Hi, Sal. It's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch.
Make it a super stretch.
In fact, make it a super stretch.
You ready, Lyndsay? You guys ready? How'd you do, Lyndsay?
Alright, I kept my eyes open most of the time.
Most of the time?
Yeah! I opened it wood, we did the like corkscrew, so that was good.
Yeah.
That was really brave.
What'd you think of Rock and Roller Coaster?
Good. We had, Dude Looks Like a Lady.
Yeah, the name of the song, Dude Looks Like a Lady. That was our track this time.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
That was the first time we've had that. I think we've had the Loving Another Victim.
Yeah, I feel like we've had that twice.
I don't know what other songs we've had, but that was fun. That was really fun. And we, in the line for Toy Story, there was a couple standing behind us for our like 45-minute wait. We started chatting with them, and then like when we pulled out the camera to vlog, she was like, "Oh my God, are you guys vloggers?" And she has a vlog too, so that was fun. And then they happened to have a Fast Pass for here at the same time we did, so we just followed them over and hung out and did Rock and Roller together, and that was fun.
Yeah, it's fun hanging out.
Yeah.
If anybody ever sees us, we'd love to hang out at Disney,
Yes.
so say hello to us.
Yes, absolutely. But yeah, now we have about 45 minutes until the Star Wars fireworks, so I think we are going to fill up our water and
find a spot.
Find a good spot.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll see what we can get. I'm sure people have been camped out for like an hour already.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we can find.
Alright. That's all I got.
That is affirmative. You're welcome, citizen.
We got our popcorn, we got our spot.
Yeah, popcorn. Tony got free popcorn because he's a nice person. He went to go get popcorn and fill up our water bottle, and I called down the fort, and he came back and he was like, "I got free popcorn."
Yeah, her name is Donna. She's from Pennsylvania. I know that much. The people in front of me just took a little.
Oh, you watch it so carefully.
The people in front of me just took a little long, and I was just like patient, and they had to make 2 or 3 transactions to get their drinks and popcorn, and she just looked at me, smiled, and I was like, "Oh yeah, just one popcorn please." She's like, "Take it, you're so patient, thank you so much." And I was like, "Thank you." Like,
cool.
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
That's me. So yeah, free popcorn tastes really good.
Yeah.
And we're excited for this show in 20 minutes.
Yeah, pretty soon.
Phantasmic gets out probably like right before this starts, so I think a lot of people are gonna rush in at the last second.
It's tough to leave Phantasmic.
Yeah, because they push you right by the front gate.
Yeah, exactly. But they are at capacity right now. Like Phantasmic is at capacity, and so there's a lot of people just standing, so those people are gonna like bolt.
Yeah.
And I think all those people are gonna beat us to the bus is what's gonna happen. But
that's true.
That's all right.
We got nothing but time.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah. You're gonna enter right there. And Hollywood Studios is my popcorn park. Always get popcorn here. Right this way, so you're gonna go see that.
Alright, we're gonna hang out and watch the fireworks. And if you're in Germany, we're sorry if you can't see this video.
Sorry.
1977, a triumphant moment in screen history. At the world-famous Chinese theater in Hollywood, California, Star Wars premieres. transporting audiences with these simple words. A long time ago, in a galaxy far,
So excited.
far away.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only help.
It's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Successfully navigating an asteroid using approximately 3,700 ever down the
Do or do not. There is no try.
I love you.
I know.
I'm not afraid. Nothing will stand in our way.
Hello.
Hello.
Star Wars fireworks were awesome.
Yeah, they were really good.
They're my favorite.
Yeah.
They're up there with favorites. They're above Illuminations.
There you go.
Because Illuminations is my least favorite show.
So they rank right in the middle for you?
Well, they're tied with like Wishes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's like Wishes and the show
It's a
together.
bold statement.
It is. It's just so much fun though. Like,
It's cool. I like how they incorporate all of the movies. Like,
Yes.
it is just like the entire Star Wars franchise is included. Like characters big and small, fight scenes, love scenes, like all of it. Romance, drama, action,
lasers, fireworks, music.
stars and wars.
Yes, fire. It just had everything, and so it's
You
just
guys saw.
yeah, it's just such a fun show. So then, as soon as that was done, we like rushed our way out, and we got on the first bus.
Yeah.
And the bus got us back to our resort, Coronado Springs, and we were the very first bus stop. And from start to finish,
It's now 26 minutes after 8.
and we were on the bus at like 8:05. Or no, what did that clock say?
It was 8:10 when we got on the
8:10.
bus. And then like 10-minute ride over here. We've been in the room a few minutes. But yeah, it only took us about 10 minutes to clear out of the park because obviously pretty much everybody's moving the same direction. The park was closed at 8, so as soon as the fireworks finished up, there's no other reason to stay there other than shopping or buying food. But yeah, so really good. There was a bus waiting for us right when we got there, and we're like the first. I think you said that.
Yeah.
There was like the first bus stop, like
First
super
bus.
convenient.
Yeah, first bus onto the first bus stop, and we're here. So now we're waiting for our bags, and then we might grab some food or something. But I think we're just gonna hang out in the room the rest of the night and kind of get a good reset and figure out our plan for the next couple days.
Yeah, it's still pretty early, but we want to get a good night of sleep because we might head over to Animal Kingdom at opening tomorrow.
And get as many Expedition Everests as possible.
Yeah, exactly. So you guys will want to see that. So like, subscribe, comment, all of those things. But definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel because obviously we're a bucket of fun.
We have buckets.
Not on me. Oh, there's a nice bucket right over there.
Yeah, we have ice buckets and cups.
Anyways, yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Yeah, Hollywood Studios is a fun park, and were there just the right amount of time.
Yeah, absolutely. We didn't get to do everything, obviously, but
it was a good evening in the park.
Yeah, and we'll be back in a few days to do more.
So, all right, for now, good night.